We have to start off the morning.
We got some delicious hot asphalt to start off our breakfast.
Amazing.
And,
And a cup of coffee.
And a cup of coffee.
Don't fucking start.
Come here, give me a hug.
Hey Phil, good morning Phil! Good morning! What's up? Gotta love it, you gotta love it. Yeah, bang it down, somebody please, bang it down.
What's the quote of the day? Quote of the day.
Limitless.
Limitless?
Your boundaries are limitless.
I waited like 5 minutes and now I'm gonna finish this last roll and then we're on to the next site for an excavation.